The TB18 Plus is one of the only models in our Mittelformen machine range. It has a very robust design, standard LED work lighting, and is available both as a bench and as a SB18 Plus, i.e. As a seaming machine. It is driven by a powerful and maintenance-free AC motor. The machine's functions and settings, such as the speed, can be easily adjusted to a wide range of applications via the control panel. The integrated OLED display clearly shows you the current parameters, such as the current speed and drilling depth. You can select between drilling and tapping mode at the touch of a button and then program it intuitively. The standard LED lighting and the optional coolant supply can be switched on and off, and the optional coolant unit can be controlled. Using the drilling depth stop, we can easily and ergonomically set the planned drilling depth and thus precisely limit the stroke to the desired drilling depth. The height of the robust machine table can be adjusted easily and precisely using a rack and pinion drive. To ensure optimum work safety, we install a drilling guard with electrical protection and an emergency stop button as standard. To safely complete the drilling process, you can also activate a spindle stop function. If you opt for the TB18 Plus, we will grant you a full 3-year warranty. Additional information and technical data can be found on our website. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us.